There's a voice I cannot run from. In the silence it becomes strong, pulling me